Open the protective cover. Release the ribbon cable connector. Remove the retainer. Remove 2 screws to expose the PCB. Release the FFC cable connector. Tear off the old FFC cable carefully. Take out the new FFC cable and fold it, according to the original cable. Insert new FFC cable and lock the connector. Install the cover. Press the FFC cable onto the adhesive on the bottom side of Y-axis. Insert the other end of the FFC cable and lock the connector. Close the protective cover.